Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry in 5 days. First, organize your material into daily segments, focusing on high-yield topics. Prioritize understanding fundamental principles over rote memorization. Actively engage with the content by summarizing key pathways and mechanisms in your own words. This structured approach will maximize your learning efficiency. For days 1 and 2, build a strong foundation. Day 1 should cover amino acids, protein structure, and enzyme mechanisms, including kinetics. On Day 2, delve into carbohydrates, lipids, and the structure of biological membranes. Ensure you grasp the basic functions and interrelationships of these essential biomolecules before moving forward. Days 3 and 4 are dedicated to major metabolic pathways. On Day 3, concentrate on energy production, glycolysis, the TCA cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Day 4 covers synthesis and breakdown, including gluconeogenesis, glycogenolysis, and fatty acid metabolism. Understand how these pathways are regulated and interconnected within the body. On your final day, it's all about review and application. Take a full practice exam or work through a comprehensive problem set to test your knowledge. This will help you pinpoint any areas needing extra attention. Revisit those specific topics to solidify your understanding. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.